Good morning, lovies. It's hot as hell here on this hot, humid hot. Oh Lord, it's been hot. Sunshiny day. And the sun is finally shining there. And that's a good thing. Well, I've got a Louis Vuitton package that I just even thought about yesterday and made a quick decision purchase. It was on my list of things to get, and I got such a good such a good deal on another package that I've got coming. So I said, hey, I'll have a little staycation money left over. So what am I going to do with my staycation money? I'll buy Louis. And me and Louis will staycation all day long. We'll be just fine with running and playing for the evening this weekend at the casino. And say we have a lovely vacay. Hello, Louie. Oh my goodness. And after I ordered this, I was like, what'd you do that for? And then I was like, well, okay, it's on my list. I saved a lot of money and did a good job with my cash back and all that kind of stuff. I recommend Capital One cashback browser. They cover 24S. Nobody covers Louis Vuitton. Nobody. But yeah, the other item I have coming is in 24S. So I saved so much money on that I've always Louis Vuitton. Or maybe it was on the other one. I don't know. But I saved so much money on the 24s.com order that I said, okay, I'm going on Louis and I'm getting that wish list item because I know that price increase is coming. And that's the gift receipt. And return package label. So, the last price increase, was in February, and then they had a price increase prior to that in October, right after I bought not the carry-all, which is the new bag, which to me looks like the Odium, and I'm not really interested in that particular bag. I think it'll look good on some people, and I think some people it won't. I think it's more for body type. I think the Odium is more versatile for everybody across the board, and that's probably going to be my next item I put on my list is, I ain't got a list, but, so, a list, but, so just one jackpot at a time, you know, that's how that goes. And here we go. And she falls straight out the box. Impulse buy. Impulse buy. But I said, doggone it, it's on the list. It's the double zip pochette in the empreinte leather. Because, you know, with the daily pouch, I fell in love with the empreinte leather. As a matter of fact, the card case that I have, I'm ashamed to say, I'm carrying it around like it's an old potato sack, because it is just perfect to carry my cards in. I mean, just perfect. And I'm thinking I'm really gonna have to buy one just to use for because I feel like I'm gonna wear every dime out of it. I don't feel like it's gonna be a piece I'm gonna be able to resell at some point, because I'm gonna wear it so much. It's really not gonna be worth anything by the time I get ready to get rid. Matter of fact, y'all probably gonna bury me with that card case. I haven't done nothing but drug that card case. And I'm going through Dairy Queen. And I'm like, you know, you're dragging this card case around like a potato sack. And you need to be aware that's a Louis Vuitton card case. It's not Coach. It's not